there, beautiful people. I want to welcome you to my channel, Aphrodisia Cat, where I do nail videos and life vlogs. In today's video, I will be showing you how to properly apply press-on nails. If you'd like to see how to apply long-lasting press-ons, stick around and let's get into this video. Alright, so let's start with the application kit. If you do happen to order a set of nails from Creole Chic, you'll get an application kit. That application kit includes a press-on application card. You'll also get 1 sheet of glue tabs, 1 tube of nail glue. You'll get 2 nail cleansing wipes or alcohol pads, 1 mini nail file, 1 mini buffer, 2 cuticle pushers, and 1 cuticle cutter. Alright, so once you have all that stuff laid out, let's get into putting those nails on. So step 1, you want to go ahead and grab one of those cuticle pushers and you are going to gently push back the cuticles. You want to make sure to push back all of the cuticles and skin around the nail bed so that way you have a nice, neat application. Alright, and once that part is done, we get to step 2, which is filing down the nail. So if you have any uneven nails, if your nails are a bit too long, or you just want to change the shape, go ahead and file down any excess nail. And then you can move on to step 3, which is buffing the nail. With the buffing process, you just want to go ahead and take the shine off the nail. This is going to help ensure that your nails have good adhesion and they don't just fall off. Any oil left on the natural nail will cause the press-ons not to last as long. So step 4, we're going to go ahead and clean off the nail with the alcohol wipes included. Make sure to get all of the dust off of your nail. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and apply the nail glue. So you want to grab your tube of glue and you are going to apply it to your natural nail, making sure not to get it on the skin. So you do want to go ahead and leave just a little space between your skin and the nail. As you see here, we're applying that nail glue, but we are leaving a little bit of space between the bed of the nail or the cuticle portion, just so that when you do apply the press-on, the glue does not squeeze out into your skin. The second step of this, you are going to want to take the actual press-on. Go ahead and wipe the inside of the press-on out with the alcohol wipe. And then you want to go ahead and apply more glue. So you're going to apply the glue to the inside of the nail, and you can go ahead and apply it all the way to the end. Just make sure you only put it in the space that you're going to be applying to your natural nail. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and actually apply the nail to your natural nail. So you want to take your press-on nail and you're going to angle it downward. You're going to put that right at the cuticle and then slowly roll the nail down so that it covers your entire natural nail bed. Once you have it in the proper position, you want to go ahead and firmly hold the nail in place for 15 to 30 seconds. Once that's done, your nails should be secure and on your finger. You should be able to tug at it, tap on things, and move around freely, and it should not pop off. If applied properly, your nails should last anywhere from 1 to 2 weeks. Alright, now if you want to go ahead and use the glue tab instead of the glue, you're going to follow steps 1 through 4 just as you would if you were using the nail glue. But when it comes time to putting on the adhesive, you're going to grab your glue tab sheet. You're going to go ahead and fit your nail just to see which glue tab works best. Go ahead and break the glue tab sheet in half, and then you're going to remove the protective film from the top of the glue sheet. If you happen to pull up one of the glue tabs that you were not trying to get, it's okay. You can just place it right back down and it's good as new. You can use it later. Go ahead and grab the glue tab that you have selected, and then we can move on to the next step, which is adding the glue tab to the actual press-on. Once you have that glue tab, you are going to go ahead and grab your press-on, and you're going to go ahead and gently place that glue tab inside of the press-on, making sure not to overlap over the edges. So you do not want the glue tab to go over the edges. You just want it on the inside of the nail. Once you have it in the place that you want it, you're going to firmly press it into the nail. Go ahead and rub every little crevice that you have the glue tab on. Push really hard. Make sure there are no bubbles. Once there are no bubbles and you feel that it's firmly placed in there, you can go ahead and pull off that last little protective tab. All right, and once you have that done, we are ready to put that nail on. So you're gonna go ahead and angle your nail down towards your cuticle, and then you're going to gently roll it down until it covers the entire nail bed. Once you have it in position, the perfect placement for you, you're gonna firmly hold the nail for 15 to 30 seconds. All right, and once that's complete, you wanna go ahead and squeeze the sides and all of the edges just to make sure that you have proper adhesion. Once this is done, you should be able to tap on surfaces, move your nail around, and it should not come off. If applied properly, these nails should last up to 3 days. All right, you would just repeat these steps for each nail. Once you have your set on, you are good to go, and you can just enjoy your set. All right, that is it for today's video. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. If you stuck around until the end of the video, I truly appreciate you. As always, I'm sending you nothing but positivity, peace, and I wish you an abundance of prosperity. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a blessed one.